Yeah, and the interesting thing is what we deal with today is actually helping places like that area of North Carolina as they look at the tropical storm Arthur just offshore. That's where all that wind and rain and just high surface coming from right now. Arthur is going to likely stay offshore and move farther out to sea, but that coastal region of North Carolina, really including all of the Outer Banks, are at risk today for some tropical storm impacts. So this is going to be what we watch on the coastal region, but you'll notice that storm track has it pushing farther out to offshore. Really by late tonight into tomorrow morning, it should be far, far out to sea, leaving the North Carolina coast alone. And again, that has to do with the fact that we have a cold front on the way. This cold front is helping to push all this moisture back into our area, and it's helping to push Arthur away from the shoreline. So even though some of those outer bands of rain and wind will impact North Carolina, the eye of the storm is likely to stay just offshore and then move farther away. For us, we are going to look at a chance for severe weather today. This is from the cold front that's moving through, nothing to do with Arthur for us. Heavy rain. Pockets of it are really coming down now throughout Pickens County, Transylvania County, parts near Anderson, looking into northeast Georgia for downpours. These waves of heavy rain will basically ramp up all day today, creating flood concern and eventually bringing with it a severe weather concern. Futurecast shows pretty well that by midday we'll see more soaking rain in pockets. The afternoon to early evening, this will continue. It's a broken setup today, which means we're not going to see one line of rain and storms come through. It's going to be these small pockets that pop up every now and then and just intensify late. Tomorrow's very similar, looking at a rainy morning and then pockets of storms in the afternoon. And while temperatures will cool down toward the middle of the week, the rain chance will continue. So Wednesday will yet again have downpour potential. Look at this, even Wednesday night, still dealing with some of that heavy rainfall. So between now and late Wednesday evening, we are looking mainly at about 1 to 2 widespread inches of rain, but about 3 to 4 inches of rain can't be ruled out, especially in some of those eastern mountain areas. We're just going to have this low pressure system that spins nearby that continues to dump rain on us in the days ahead. Temperatures right now sit in the 60s to near 70 degrees in most spots. Highs reach 77 today in the upstate, 73 today in western North Carolina. And as the storms develop this afternoon, we're looking at a marginal risk for severe weather. That's technically the lowest on the risk scale, but it still means that we'll have flood concerns over the next few days. We're going to have possibilities for hail and for damaging wind throughout the day today. And while we can't rule it out completely, the tornado threat is fairly low. That's a good thing, but it's still something we can't completely rule out. So we're going to rate your day on the Carolina Sky Meter today just a 3 out of 10. It's just not a great day to spend a lot of time outside. The 7-day forecast is another round of showers and storms tomorrow. Then it's a little cooler on Wednesday with more rain. Thursday and Friday start a warm up again, but we'll still hold on to small chances for wet conditions.